If I press this, the shopkeeper wakes up. If I don't, thousands of people will never know who they are. They are living like ghosts. A choice is a decision between two things. This is the hardest choice of my life. What would you do? Everyone deserves their truth. The magic is fading. The shop is officially closed. Forever. By saving everyone else, I realized something. My own sad memory didn't come back. But I don't need it. I'm making new memories now. Before I go, let's look at the final 5 words that help me finish my journey. Restore, to bring something back to its original state. Sacrifice, to give up something important to help others. Determined, having a strong feeling that you will do something. Relieved, feeling happy because something bad has stopped. Fading, slowly disappearing or becoming less bright. If you want to see where I go next, click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thank you for helping me find my way home. I'll see you in our next adventure.